Alright, so if you're a Mac user at Northwest College and you have the need for some Windows software or to be in the Windows environment, what you can do is just go to view.nwc.edu. Once you're there, what you can do and what I recommend and what the Computing Services recommends is to go ahead and install this VMware Horizon client. It's going to be an application that is a regular piece of software on your computer. So go ahead and get that installed. Once you have that installed, it should look something like this icon that's down here at the bottom, VMware Horizon client. And what this is going to do is actually connect you to a virtual Windows machine, a virtual Windows computer that lives on Northwest College's campus, and it's going to be the same sort of desktop that you would see if you logged in at any computer lab on campus. So you'll have access to all the software that you normally have, and it's just going to run in in software that's living on your Mac. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and launch this as if I'm doing this for the first time. If it doesn't ask you what server you want to connect to, just click on this new server icon over here. I'm going to type the same URL that I just used nwc.edu, view.nwc.edu. I'm going to hit connect. It's then going to ask you for your username and password, and you go ahead and enter those things in. You don't have to enter at nwc.edu. Enter those things in, and it will offer you two different things, either a campus lab desktop. It may offer you another one, or it may just have the campus lab desktop. So I'll go ahead and click on that, double click on that campus lab desktop. The first thing it might do is actually make it full screen, big screen on your desktop. I'm going to actually go up when you put your cursor up to the top. When you touch it to the top of your screen, the file menu should come down, and you can click on Window, and instead of full screen, just click on full screen, and it'll go back to a regular sized window. So let me adjust this real quick so you can see everything that I'm doing. Okay, so now we have that window. Now what you'll see is that you're running Microsoft Office right here on your Mac, and you can do anything that you would normally do in Windows. You can do here. So if just like I was sitting at a Windows computer, if I needed to look at use a web browser, if I needed to write something in Word down here, you can open up a Word document just like you would if you were on a regular computer. So this allows you to do anything that you need to do in Word, especially, in Microsoft Office especially. So all that software lives on here. You can just click on all programs, and you've got all the software that you need: PowerPoint, Publisher, Word, Excel. They're all there. So you should be able to use that at any time from anywhere. And just a note, this also works on your tablet devices. So you can download the VMware client for your any phone or tablet, and you can log in just like this with the same URL, that view.nwc.edu, and get back to a Windows desktop like you would normally see it on campus itself.